AI-generated art is everywhere, winning contests, going viral, even selling for thousands. But the big question is, can it really replace human creativity? Today, we dive deep into the rise of AI art and the future of human expression. So, what exactly is AI art? Well, tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Artbreeder generate images using machine learning. These tools analyze vast datasets of images to create new, unique pieces based on patterns and styles they've learned. Now let's talk about the controversy. Many artists are accusing AI of stealing styles, lacking originality, and there's a genuine fear of job loss in creative industries. It's a complex issue that raises questions about the ethics and future of art. Can a machine feel creativity? Let's take a moment to explore this. On one hand, we have emotional, human-driven art that speaks to the soul. On the other, we have algorithmic pieces crafted by AI. The question is, can these algorithmic creations evoke the same emotions? Will we see AI as a creative partner or competition? This is something we all need to think about as we move forward. If you think AI art is the future, drop Team AI in the comments, but if you stand by human creativity, write Team Human. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more bold AI debates.